Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something unique and intriguing on our hands: the Montessori Brown Stairs. These aren't just ordinary stairs. They are a powerful tool designed to enhance your understanding of size, dimension, and mathematical concepts. What are the Montessori Brown Stairs? Let's start by uncovering the mystery behind the Montessori Brown Stairs. Imagine a set of rectangular prisms, all the same length but varying in width and height. These prisms, made of beautiful brown wood, form a striking stair-like structure when stacked from the widest to the narrowest. The magic lies in understanding not just height and width but also depth, as each step provides a unique visual and tactile experience. Benefits of Montessori Brown Stairs. But why are the Montessori Brown Stairs so important? Well, they serve as a foundation for understanding volume and spatial relationships. By working with these stairs, children develop a keen sense of depth perception, an ability that's essential in fields like architecture, engineering, and even art. The Brown Stairs also enhance fine motor skills. As children carefully handle each prism, they refine their hand-eye coordination and dexterity. These skills are fundamental for everyday tasks and future academic challenges, making the Brown Stairs a valuable addition to a child's learning journey. The aim of Montessori Brown Stairs. The aim of the Montessori Brown Stairs is to provide a tangible, hands-on experience of size and space. Maria Montessori believed that children learn best through direct interaction with their environment. By exploring the Brown Stairs, children not only grasp mathematical concepts, but also cultivate a deep appreciation for the intricacies of dimension and form. Additionally, the Brown Stairs encourage creativity and critical thinking. Children can experiment with different arrangements, observing how changes in width and height affect the overall structure. This exploration nurtures their problem-solving abilities and lays the groundwork for understanding abstract mathematical concepts in the future. In conclusion, the Montessori Brown Stairs are more than just wooden prisms. They are keys to unlocking the secrets of size, depth, and volume. By providing a hands-on, engaging, and exploratory experience, these stairs transform abstract mathematical ideas into something tangible and exciting. I hope you found this exploration of the Montessori Brown Stairs enlightening. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational adventures. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, every step you take with the Brown Stairs is a step toward a more profound understanding of the world. Happy learning, everyone!